Hopefully you can hear me. My name is Justin Gurman. I am a fourth year medical student. I'm the alumni representative for my class, so that's why you have to bear with me or have me speak to you. But anyway, on we go. Hello, class of 2024. Welcome back to your second semester of your first year. Hopefully each of you is rested up and feels somewhat rejuvenated from your break. I want to be the first to officially congratulate each one of you today. You all are officially already 1/3 of the way through the bookwork part of medical school. Isn't that crazy to think about? Soon you'll be in the hospital or clinic applying the information that you are currently learning. That's pretty cool. So as I was writing the speech, I was thinking about lots of different things, and I realized your class and my class were both placed in unique positions at the start of medical school. Both of our classes have started off our medical school journeys in uncertain waters. My class had a solar eclipse on the first day of classes, coupled with pioneering the new curriculum. Your class was tasked with pioneering a pandemic while attempting to adjust to the new demands of school. All I can say is you are all amazing for adapting, and honestly, I'm impressed with each one of you. Now, I'm sure you have heard some upperclassmen say it, but medical school really does fly by, and in the blink of an eye, you are all done. Exhibit A being your first semester already being done with. Speaking of your first semester, I want you all to take a moment to think back on it. Just think of all those flashcards you made, that you did, that you ignored. Just the seemingly endless PBLs, don't worry, they do go away. Trying to calculate what lectures can be, how do I put this, studied a little bit lighter than others. And then, that feeling when you realize the lecturer had starred the important parts in their lecture so you could, actually listen to the lecture and not constantly worry what they were going to test throughout the entire lecture. And then lastly, all the long days and nights with your classmates filled with the entire gamut of emotions. While we're on the topic of classmates, I honestly think this is the true gem of medical school. Your classmates are some of the coolest, most driven, talented, funny, and compassionate people you will ever meet. Take advantage of them. Make connections with each other. I realize COVID has made things difficult, but hopefully you have found a way to connect with one another despite these circumstances. As you all know, medical school is hard. I know for a fact I would not have made it through to my fourth year without the support of my friends in my class. Misery loves company. And I mean, come on, we are all miserable every now and then. Just remember that if you are miserable, there is a high likelihood other people are in the same boat as you. There are so many different memories I can think of where my friends were the reason I kept going. One in particular was when my friend Inga and I had to, and I mean had to, spend 72 continuous hours together because we knew if we left each other's company, we would not study at all for, I think it was the final neuro test. Now, don't get nervous about neuro. Inga and I were just very excited for our 10 weeks of uninterrupted summer break, which may have led to some decreased studying motivation. I have complete faith that you all will do better than her and I. Now, I know I said it before, but I'm going to say it again. Truly, you are going to be in my position faster than you think. So please enjoy your time. Make sure you are having fun. Med school should be fun. And remember that there is an entire world beyond medical school and life is continuing on while we're in here. Also, please remember to be kind to yourself. Remember you are surrounded by some amazing people, but you are here for that same exact reason. You're amazing. Don't get caught up in comparing yourself to one another as it is an endless downward path. Celebrate each other's successes and help one another along, because at the end of the day, medicine is a collaborative and we all want each other to become the best physicians we can be. Congratulations again, class of 2024, and good luck going forward. It is my pleasure to introduce our next speaker. Please welcome our Dean of the College of Medicine, Dr. Brittigan.
Thank you, Justin. It's probably telling in terms of the times and transitions of generations. He's reading his speech off an iPhone or a cell phone. I've got old-time paper here, so it is what it is. So first of all, it's always my pleasure to participate in this annual event, which normally takes place, of course, at the start of school in early August, or in late August, rather. It was, of course, delayed this year with the hopes that the situation with the pandemic would abate to allow for an in-person event. Unfortunately, the virus and human nature has not really allowed that to occur. So I'm certainly deeply sorry and apologize that we couldn't find a way for all of us to do this safely together today. The white coat ceremony is the first step in the transition of our newest class of students in the UNMC College of Medicine to becoming physicians. The white coat symbolizes the privilege that medical professionals are granted to participate in a unique and very personal way in the lives of their patients. It embodies the highest principles of respect, competency, service, and integrity, and it should not be donned casually. The white coat ceremony was introduced into the United States medical schools in the early 1990s, and now a majority of medical schools in the US have some version of this ceremony. It marks the beginning of what will be a long and challenging journey for each of our new students. Over the weeks and months ahead, you will spend countless hours learning how to conduct a medical history and a physical exam and use that information to generate a diagnostic and treatment plan. The amount of information you will be asked to master will be overwhelming at times. And you will almost certainly find yourself sacrificing participation in social and family events, as well as sleep at times, in order to accomplish this mission. However, medical and scientific knowledge alone do not make one a complete physician. In addition to being science, medicine is also an art. The art is embodied in the relationships that you establish with patients. Each patient is unique and reflects not only their genetic makeup, but the different environments in which they have lived and currently live. We are part of a tremendously diverse and global society, and you will encounter patients from a wide variety of cultural, geographic, social, and economic backgrounds that will impact their health and your ability to care for them. Understanding the influence of these factors is also part of being a physician and wearing the white coat. Although much of what we will teach you will focus on such things as the best combination of drugs, surgery, and other treatments for a specific disease, there will be times that you will not have anything medically to offer your patient that will cure or significantly modify the course of their disease. Surprisingly, it may be at those times that you will be of the most benefit to your patient, and in turn have your most rewarding experiences as a physician. Faced with patients with essentially untreatable end-stage fatal disease, you may have little to offer but your emotional support and compassion. Yet, as many of our current care providers have unfortunately experienced firsthand during the current pandemic, that is often what is most needed and is just as much a part of being a physician as is meeting their medical needs. This is also what it means to wear the white coat. Don't shy away from it. It can be one of the most satisfying parts of your career. In closing, I belatedly welcome each of you into the fellowship that is the practice of medicine. It is a wonderful and fulfilling career. There is much controversy going on around us about the economics and politics of healthcare. However, the true profession of medicine and the professionalism as symbolized by the white coat is about the sanctity of the individual physician-patient relationship. Patients will be placing their lives in your hands, and you must not violate their trust. Shortly, you will be donning your white coats for the first time, or at least for the first time as far as this ceremony is concerned. Your development as a physician is early in its course. Being a physician is a lifelong process of education and growth that you will do in partnership with your patients and your peers. It is an honor to be with you today as you embark on this wonderful journey. It's now my pleasure to introduce our Senior Associate Dean for Student Affairs and Admissions, Dr. Wendy Grant, who will have a few comments around the way the remaining portion of the ceremony will proceed. Wendy?
Good afternoon, everyone. This really is a special afternoon, and obviously just to echo what Dr. Britigan said, we really wish we could have done this with all of your families here. And for any family members and friends that are watching this, you should be incredibly proud of how your loved ones have navigated the first semester of medical school and how fortunate we are to have them as a part of the College of Medicine. Logistically, we're going to go so the students have been working in small groups throughout the first semester to comply with COVID rules, both state regulations and university regulations. So each of them is assigned to a room with 6 students in it. In each room, there will be a 4th-year medical student who will be giving the students their white coats. We will go from one room to the next. Dr. Erickson, Alan Erickson, who's our Assistant Dean for Student Affairs, and I will be reading the names. There are a few students who are absent today, but we are still going to read their names. After each room is completed getting their coats, we will move on to the next room. But in each room, the students will stand together, obviously with face coverings on, and we'll get a group picture. One of the traditions is to get a class picture of everyone at the end of the ceremony in their white coats. And obviously, unfortunately, we cannot do that. So we will be creating a montage, which we will share with the students. So without further ado, we will go to room 2006. Okay. Jocelyn Daubendick is from Elkhorn, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Kelsey Green is from Neely, Nebraska, and attended Wayne State College. John Howe is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Columbia University in New York City. Morgan Karloff is from Hastings, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Brian Smith is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Next is room 2007. There we go. Now we need to switch this.
Naranjana Balu is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Rockhurst University. Madison Bierman is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Northwestern University. Nicholas Bohannon is from Tekamah, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Nicole Kent is from Binkelman, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska-Kearney. Trevor Lockard is from Eagle, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Rajan Medarada is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Congratulations. Now we're going to go to group 3, which is room 3003.
Bob Deaver is from Hayes Center, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Raven Leal is from Utan, Nebraska, and attended Duke University. Anna Martson is from Red Oak, Iowa, and attended the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Bryant Menke is from Hastings, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Kearney. Stacy Schlange is from Springfield, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Tucker Valley is from Grand Island, Nebraska, and attended Chadron State College. Next, we will go to room 3004.
Luke Doyle is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Tyler King is from Hemingford, Nebraska, and attended the University of Colorado at Colorado Springs. Kamala Reimer is from Longmont, Colorado, and attended Hastings College. Caitlin Schultes is from Diller, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska Kearney. Morgan Swope is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Next, we'll go to group 5, which is room 3005.
After we go through room 3005, we're going to go back to room 2006 because my error. I just trying to figure out the logistics. I missed someone and I deeply apologize. So after 3005, we're going to go back to 2006 for a minute. But here we are in room 3005, and we have Kevin Cahoy is from Grand Island, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Abby Heller is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Gregory Lawson is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Oberlin College. Lafayette Loper is from Callaway, Nebraska, and attended Wayne State College. Sophia Quintero is from Ann Arbor, Michigan, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Carmen Vogt is from Kansas City, Missouri, and attended the University of Colorado at Boulder. Now we're going to go back to 2006. And here we have Alexandra Regan is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Fordham University. So next we are going to room 3006.
Tanner Dice is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Eliza Fallick is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Mariah Fallick is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Jacob Klein is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Minnesota Twin Cities. Natalie Musler is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska Lincoln. Zach Wallenhorst is from Columbus, Nebraska, and attended Northwest Missouri State University. Congratulations. Next, we'll move to group 7, which is room 3007.
Justin Enberg is from Hastings, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Kearney. Caden Fritzhun is from Holdridge, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Anna Mathis is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Hillside College. Savannah Novoski is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Megan Neal is from Sydney, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Nicholas Weaver is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended St. Louis University. We will now be going to room 3015.
Kelsey Kozler is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Marco Gutierrez is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Quinn Nelson is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Uh-oh. Jump the gun. Rose Nelson is from Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Oh, my fault. My bad. Go ahead. We're good. Go ahead, Rose.
Can we do Will again, please?
And Quinn. Yeah.
And Quinn?
Well, we didn't do well at all, so we can do him. Yes.
Thank you.
Will McCloukett is from Lansing, Michigan, and attended Cornell University. I'm sorry, Will. Yay. We did Quinn, right? Rose Nelson is from Scottsbluff, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. And Lauren Wagner is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Stanford University.
Dr. Erickson, we need to do Quinn next as well, but congrats first to Lauren.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and Quinn Nelson is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Want me to do the whole room again? Sorry, guys. Congratulations.
Next, we're going to room 3016. All right, 3016. Samuel Frankel is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Joel Kettner is from Seward, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Sandy Montoya is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Iowa State University. Jordan Merman is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Carmen Ochoa is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Anna Wilwarding is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Kentucky. And now we are going to room 3017.
Okay. Andrew Exey is from Overland Park, Kansas, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Shay Jeffries is from Burwell, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Kearney. Sarah Mullen is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Iowa. Nathaniel Pester is from Fremont, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Austin Ragland is from Beatrice, Nebraska, and attended Nebraska Wesleyan University. Elizabeth Ramler is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Congratulations. Next, we'll go to room 3022.
Nicole Beckman is from Elgin, Nebraska, and attended Bryan College of Health Sciences. Cody Feast is from Utan, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Molly Myers is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Grant Ozaki is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Mariah Tesson is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Nathaniel Urban is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Colorado at Boulder. Next, we're going to room 3024.
Jamie Bish is from Grand Island, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Sarah Dudd is from Aberdeen, South Dakota, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Quinn Navarro is from Big Bear Lake, California, and attended the University of Redlands. Luke Palentz is from Papillion, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Ishan Sood is from Grand Island, Nebraska, and attended Wayne State College. Katie Vandersweg is from Denver, Colorado, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Congratulations. Next, we're going to move on to room 3025. There we go. Hi, everyone. Monica Angeletti is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Kyle Babitz is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. That's his older sister there. So that's why a hug was permitted there. Akshay Kashyap is from Kearney, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Kearney. Wyatt Lonick is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Lindenwood University.
Sarah Mance is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Emma Thorderson is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of St. Thomas. Next, we'll go to room 3026. There we go.
Benjamin Bonebrake is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Casey Clement is from Falkton, South Dakota, and attended the University of South Dakota. Alexandra Hergenrader is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Olivia Pates is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended St. Olaf College. Shelby Shelkoff is from Geneva, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Chanone Sejeroen is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Washington University in St. Louis. Congratulations. Next, we're going to move to room 3027.
All right. Suhur Barbar Askar is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Vanessa Bowmaster is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Omaha. Nathaniel Deo is from Baltimore, Maryland, and attended the University of Maryland at College Park. Jessica Glass is from Geneva, Illinois, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Uvi Prujapati is from Omaha and attended Vanderbilt University. Jacob Schneider is from Waverly, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Now we're going to room 3028.
Kaylin Armshaw is from Chapmansboro, Tennessee, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Alicia Freeman is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Gustavus Adolphus College. Sorry about that. Lucas Hall is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Benjamin Herder is from Merriman, Kansas, and attended Creighton University. Miranda Jangula is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Omaha. Emma Sheridan is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Congratulations. Next, we'll move on to room 4049.
Nubila Azami is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Samuel Christensen is from Davenport, Nebraska, and attended Wayne State College. Noah Free is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Kim Nguyen is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Notre Dame. Will Rader is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Shanae Young is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Next, we're going to room 4050.
Margaret Hudson is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. David Casper is from St. Louis, Missouri, and attended Creighton University. Jeffrey Schindler is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended Bryan College of Health Sciences. Carolyn Spethman is from Edina, Minnesota, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Eve Vanderneck is from Henderson, Nebraska, and attended Chadron State College. Andrea Vetter is from Fargo, North Dakota, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Congratulations. Next, we'll move on to 4051.
Philip Hollebeck is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska in Lincoln. Linda Mai Wynn is from Orange, California, and attended the University of California, Irvine. Spencer Jones is from Wichita, Kansas, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Emmy Schmidt is from Custer, South Dakota, and attended the University of South Dakota. Kaylee Swasinger is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Benjamin Steffensmeyer is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Room 4052.
Brett Jesse is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended St. Louis University. Bo Kittrell is from Ashland, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Tony Lay is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Jacqueline Peck is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Kansas. Sarah Sweeney is from Salt Lake City, Utah, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Taza Weinmaster is from Cozad, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Next, we'll move to room 4056.
Home stretch. Melanie Kieser is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Case Western Reserve University. Drew Cortis is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Jacob Moore is from Lincoln, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Aaron Schwab is from Elk River, Minnesota, and attended Carleton College. Sarah Tards is from Naperville, Illinois, and attended the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. Jill Zingenbein is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Creighton University. Now for the final room, we'll go to 4058.
Caleb Capellan is from Kearney, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Kearney. Ruchika Koth is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended Wake Forest University. Jennifer Lebove is from Omaha, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Excuse me, Keaton Reed is from Stoughton, Wisconsin, and attended the University of Wisconsin, La Crosse. Osman Shukor is from Fremont, California, and attended the University of California, Berkeley. Sydney Todd is from Union, Nebraska, and attended the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Congratulations.
I think we're going to see if we can change the view to a panel so we can see into each of the rooms, is my understanding. I want to echo everybody else's congratulations to the class of 2024. Once again, we're so incredibly proud to be your colleagues and to go through this with you. We are now going to recite the student oath. And we're going to keep everyone on mute because our IT people tell us that it would be too hard to understand, but we'd ask that everybody stand with your white coats on. You should have a copy on the program. Dr. Britigan and Dr. Erickson and I will read from the front here. I dedicate myself to the sciences and the art of medicine. I promise to be humble in my ignorance, preserve the dignity of those I serve, to respect my colleagues in the health professions, to conduct myself in a professional manner, and to offer our support and encouragement to fellow students. May I fulfill these responsibilities and bring honor to the university, the faculty, and the students of medicine. Congratulations.
Congratulations. So on behalf of the faculty and the staff of the College of Medicine, once again, congratulations to the class of 2024 for now having in your possession your white coats that we should have had back in August. I would also like to thank the College of Medicine Alumni Association for their support of the white coats themselves, as well as the other aspects of the ceremony. And finally, to the students, the parents, friends, other family members who've assembled today. Again, our apologies for not being able to do this in person. So we thank you for your flexibility and willingness to kind of give this a try. But nevertheless, we hope very much that in a little over 3.5 years from now, we get a chance to see you and congratulate you in person at our hooding and convocation ceremony in May of 2024. So this will kind of end the formal aspects of the program today. Thank you all for attending. Again, congratulations to the students and have a great rest of the afternoon.